What we got here? What did I get myself into again? Well, this is just a teaser. As you can see, some parts are already bagged. I got the crankshaft out and the gears and stuff. There's no collateral damage. I wonder why this engine didn't run. No, just kidding. Later on I will see if I can remove the pistons. That's to be seen still. They were kind of stuck when I got that, so the whole operation's been going on for like 2 months already. And I hope to remove them without any persuasion. No hammering allowed, no collateral damage allowed. So we'll see later on today. Everything is still soaking, and that's how it looks like right now.